Okay, we're rolling. Hi guys, this is Harper and Eric.
Hi.
And we're gonna open our Christmas presents, right? Yeah, do some unboxing. You wanna start with this one?
Yeah.
Alright, go for it.
It's
Let me help you.
a tornado siren.
Is it a tornado siren?
Yeah, it looks like the same symbol on the siren.
Alright, well make sure, look at the camera. That's where all your people are.
Okay.
Your audience in waiting. There you go. You can do the rest.
Oh, just a basketball.
Cool, that's a cool basketball.
What?
Yeah.
It might need a little bit.
I think we need to blow that up a little bit.
I might need it to be a little more air.
Hey, look what Santa wrote to you. Can you read it?
What did he write?
Read it.
I can't read it.
Okay. Harper, I am flying to see Santa tonight and report on your behavior today. I am I'm very upset. What should you do, Harper?
Take them back.
All right.
Oopsie.
Oopsie. Well, okay, so take your ball and put it over there. I'll try not to stab you with this exact knife. What's this? What is this, Harper? It's a junior kicker all-in-one 5-piece drum set. Your very first pro drum kit. What do you think about that?
Good.
We're going to be making all kinds of drumming instructional videos with this, aren't we?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
See some snare work in your hi-hat.
Well, this is weird.
You gotta practice your hi-hat.
Don't forget, Daddy, I have to put this up.
All right. Watch out, I got a blade in my hand. Stay back. Whoa. No blood on video. Ooh. Okay, what do we got, Harper?
Okay, we got the instructions in all these boxes.
Yeah. Start pulling it out. Start unboxing. Okay, we don't need those instructions, do we? What's this?
Let's open it.
All right, look. See what's in there.
Let's see.
Okay, watch out. I got a blade here. I gotta cut this tape.
How sharp is that blade?
It's very sharp.
It can definitely cut
Ooh.
you. And double
Look
other
at that. I think that's a bass drum head. Go ahead and pull it out of there.
Pull it out.
Well, you gotta show your audience. Your audience is dying to know what these things are.
What is it? Yeah, a lot of unboxing it is. Gotta make sure it's crafted.
There you go.
This is a rock.
Yeah, these are the drum heads.
What the heck? That thing's bigger than the box.
I know. Sure is. Doesn't really do anything until it gets strong. I think this is one of the toms here. Or a couple of the toms. Alright, we'll set those over there, okay? No, don't stand on them. Set them over there. Move them over there. Gotta make room. Well, this is metal, so it's gonna be one of the symbols.
Is this a naughty warming?
Nah. All right, Harper. What are these? What are these here? Show your audience. Show them. Show them to all your fans, Harper. Come on.
These are my kids.
Symbols maybe? Look at that.
That's a symbol. That's a symbol. That's
All
a
right.
symbol.
Put those over there. We got a lot of drums to get out of here. Set them over there. There you go. Perfect. What's this?
That's in we not like in a picture.
Yeah.
It's blue.
Blue, isn't it?
And that's my favorite color.
Cool. Not only is it blue, it's like sparkle metallic blue. There's some flake in it. See it? Look at that. Sounds good, doesn't it? Look at all this hardware. This is a real drum, Harper. All right, what else? There's a lot of stuff in here.
Wait, the one thing that I want to do first
Yeah?
is a snare.
Well, the snare's down the bottom, Harper. We got to get to it first. So let's keep on digging, okay? Let's see what these things are. Come on, get them open. You do that one, I'll do this one. It's heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a lot of work playing the drums, Harper. Look, see, it's a stand. Got all these stands for all the drums. Whoa, more stands. Look at this one. Look at that. All right. More hardware. See all the hardware? You gotta hook everything up with metal. All right. Now for the big guns.
Now for the big heavy guys.
Yeah. Ooh. You know what this is, don't you?
Yeah.
It's where you put your bum on. See?
But that's where you put your butt on?
Yep.
Oh, that's... Wait, where's the
A
thing?
drummer sits down to play. Yes.
Where's the stand? Where's the stand to keep the bum?
It's part of all that right there. So this is one of the smaller toms here. Why do they call them toms? Why are they toms? Who knows? Does anybody know?
There could be Tom Sawyer's name though.
Yeah, and by the way, Harper here, he is going to be Rush's new drummer. He's going to be the Neil Peart replacement, right? You're already working on Tom Sawyer, aren't you?
I'm trying.
Yeah. We're going to have to grow your kit a little bigger, I think. See, it plays higher than this one. Okay? It's tuned higher.
Wait.
Yeah.
But you put the ones that were like the professional concert.
Yeah.
We can get the one that he broke. We can save the toms.
That's right.
We put it on that drum set and I'm ready. That's what we can do.
Now don't step on any of this. Got all kinds of stuff in here. Don't know which one I should pull out first. Let's pull this one out first. Make it easier. No? That's not. Okay, pull this out.
I'm gonna go check the camera, okay?
Don't. Oh. Check it. Don't move it.
Checking.
We still going? All right. Pull this whole thing out. Look at this. They put a drum in a drum. Crazy. So which one's this? Oh, this is the floor tom, isn't it? Pretty cool, Harper.
This is that we have a lot of unboxing to do.
We got a lot of unboxing and a lot of assembling. So all this stuff has to be put together. Oh, I see. Well, let's set it there for now. Dude, what's in here?
I'm gonna go get my jacket.
You cold?
Yeah.
All right, go get it. Doesn't matter if we have dead air, does it?
Well, it got cold. I turned the heat up.
Yeah. All right, let's see what we got in this one. Everything's taped up. Ooh. Another stand. See? There's stands everywhere. So many stands. All right, here's the kicker. That's a funny expression, it's the kicker, but literally this is the kicker. Look at this one, Harper. Look at that. Yep. This keeps the beat. Poo poo poo. All right. All right, what else do we got? A couple of rings. All right, what else do we got? There's another ring for the kicker. Go ahead and put that next to the other one there.
Where's that ring?
Oh, on the kicker. Just set it. Set it there. And more stands. Who would have known that drums would have so many stands? Look at all these. Yeah. Oh, there's your pedal.
Where's the...
You even got drumsticks. Bunch of hardware.
Can I see the drumsticks?
They're in there.
I'm gonna open them.
Okay, but don't lose anything. All right, one more. I think this is a snare in here. Harper. Harper. Get it shut, Harper. Over here. Whoa. Look at this one. Yeah. Okay. Here's your sticks.
I have this Neil Ferret stick.
Yeah, you can do. Souvenir.
Yeah, but I play with them sometimes.
And that's playing quietly, by the way.
Can I try that?
So, this is your whatchamacallit.
Can I try?
So you now hit it. Now hit it. See the snare?
Hold on, Dad. I'm gonna do the snare.
Oh, your mom's gonna really love this. All right, folks. That's part one.
Okay, Vern, Texas.
Look at it. Be sure to watch part two where we put this thing together, then we learn how to play it.